Hello! This video is a follow-up to the meeting between Core Mobile Inc. and the UC Davis Thoracic Surgery, Colorectal Surgery, and Bariatrics departments on January 27, 2017. Core Mobile was founded in May 2011 with seed funding from Citrix and is partnered with Dell, a reseller of our products. Founder Chandra Tekwani started Core Mobile Inc. because of his experience with his son's surgical care as a child, where he realized that using mobile technology to engage with patients before surgery, coordinate the movement of patients in the hospital on the day of surgery, and engagement with the patient in post-discharge care would lead to better outcomes. Getting more information on how to prep a 4-month-old child for surgery was unclear, vague, and nerve-wracking. There was little support before surgery or after surgery. After the procedure, the founder's son needed to be taken to emergency for a change of dressing. Upon arriving at the hospital, the doctors had to frantically look for the information they needed about his son's care manually. This story ends happily, but how much easier and more efficient would this situation have been if there was a solution that would improve medical care efficiency, educate the patient, and improve patient outcomes? Core Mobile harnesses the power of mobile technology and real-time data to improve efficiency by reducing cancellations and improving patient prep and outcomes. We have partnered with academic institutions and are grateful to UC Davis in trying out our technology in Dr. Cook's clinic for thoracic surgery a year and a half ago. We have since expanded our work in academic institutions to facilities at UCLA and others that will be discussed later in the video. Core Mobile has strong relationships with service-disabled, veteran-owned small businesses and are also partnered with Veterans Affairs medical centers and are under consideration to deploy at Defense Health facilities. This video will explain how Core Mobile leverages mobile technology to improve perioperative patient safety, improve efficiency, improve patient experiences, and patient outcomes. Core Mobile services directly improve experiences and outcomes for patients, something providers are measured by, and improves efficiency and staff satisfaction. Core Mobile improves patient outcomes by reducing cancellations and no-shows by 5 to 40%, improving patient satisfaction by 5 to 20%, and improving patient outcomes. This is measured automatically through the application, which collects patient satisfaction data over time. Core Mobile is deployed at academic institutions as well as Veterans Affairs medical centers. This technology is deployed as a trial for patient engagement at the UC Davis Medical Center in the Department of Thoracic Surgery, the Mass Avenue Surgery Center, a paying customer for orthopedics, and at the UCLA Medical Center in the Department of Digestive Diseases and Endoscopy Center. Finally, it is currently in use at the Veterans Affairs Medical Center in Washington, D.C. in perioperative services. Currently, Core Mobile is under consideration at UPMC in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Veterans Affairs Medical Centers in San Francisco, Los Angeles, Long Beach, Nashville, Tennessee, Charleston, South Carolina, as well as Durham, Salem, and Salisbury, North Carolina. There are video endorsements available from the Washington, D.C. Veterans Affairs Medical Center, UC Davis, and from a patient of the Mass Avenue Surgery Center. The PACU nurse and the executive director is available on the Core Mobile website. Core Mobile bases its technology solutions on 3 main concepts: lean, perioperative surgical home, and enhanced recovery after surgery. The introduction to these 3 concepts provides background information on how mobile technology helps operationalize these 3 concepts and how the Core Mobile system works. Lean was pioneered by Toyota in order to improve the output of the production system. Recently, the system is being deployed in hospitals nationwide. The essence of Lean is to eliminate waste, embrace technology, value employees, and ensure that facilities are not wasting time in handoffs between different departments within a hospital. The second concept that Core Mobile embraces is the concept of the perioperative surgical home. The idea here is that in order to best take care of the patient, we must first care for the patient before surgery, during surgery, and after surgery, and into the long-term recovery stage. The patient is the integral part of this idea. Complete coordination between different care providers inside and outside the hospital is essential to improving patient outcomes. The third concept that Core Mobile embraces is enhanced recovery after surgery. Enhanced recovery after surgery asserts that the better you prepare your patients before surgery and the more individualized the care pathway is, the better and faster is the recovery after surgery. Each of these three concepts requires active patient involvement and the individualization of the patient care pathway. Lean, the perioperative surgical home, and enhanced recovery after surgery are all incorporated and embraced by Core Mobile Clinical Solutions. How do we combine these three concepts? We took the aspects of efficiency in Lean and combined it with patient engagement, and then provided mobile access to the information. This mobile access to information is key for patients and the care team, who can now get the patient information they need based on context brought to their mobile device by the CORI system. We combined the concepts with analytics, resulting in increased efficiency, improved safety, reduced errors, and improved outcomes. All of this technology is patented, and granted patents are available for viewing online. How do we operationalize these concepts? We do this by combining Lean, the perioperative surgical home, and enhanced recovery after surgery at the pre-procedure stage, the intra-op stage, and the post-procedure stage, using mobile and analytics. In the pre-procedure stage, the app provides general instructions and informational videos to the patient. We enable the patient to communicate with the healthcare provider through text messages, via voice to text, as well as pictures and videos. Messaging is enabled in both directions, from the patient to the care team and from the care team to the patient. During the pre-procedure stage, the patient is also provided with reminders on prep instructions. The care team are automatically informed about patient compliance or non-compliance to preparation instructions. This can be viewed by the care team seamlessly without needing to directly reach out to the patient, because the application automatically informs the care team if and when a patient complies with an instruction. This directly results in the reduction of cancellations and delays due to non-compliance with preparation instructions by the patients. All of this is customizable for each specialty, for each procedure, and for each patient by the provider. During the intra-op stage, we combine multiple functionalities in order to reduce surgical errors by comparing data in multiple documents and producing risk assessment analytics. Surgical error reduction is also performed by checking the laterality of the surgery through comparing documents in different places and in different systems. The pre-op checklists are tracked and electronically updated on an ongoing basis for each patient on the mobile app. The patient is tracked from the point of registration at a healthcare facility through to admissions, pre-op, anesthesia, PACU, and discharge. Staff coordination and communication features built into the mobile application allows for the patient to be monitored by clinical monitors that are deployed at various places in the hospital, like the waiting room or the operating room. Predictive analytics and historical analytics are deployed to automatically generate reports that comply with safety and reporting requirements. Post-procedure general instructions are also provided to patients at the end of a procedure. All of these instructions are sent automatically, but can be edited or changed as needed by the provider. Post-procedure services also provide instructional videos, as well as communication capability between the patient care team, reminders to the patient about post-procedure instructions, as well as automatically populated data on the compliance of patients to discharge instructions. Furthermore, VR12, SF36, and PROMISE are all used to measure outcomes in order to ensure that outcomes are accurate and track how outcomes improve when you engage with patients. This is all HIPAA compliant. The patient education, patient engagement, and patient's family engagement is the major area of functionality that helps us reduce cancellations and improve patient experiences and outcomes. Staff coordination allows for better synchronization of different departments and the individualization of preoperative testing and the care pathway. Surgical risk assessments are pre-built, but new risk assessment models can be integrated easily without additional cost. Post-discharge patient engagement and instruction compliance are integrated into the system. Outcome measurements and predictive and historical analytics allow you to track pathways in order to consider what happened in the past, guiding how you proceed. All of this leads to increased efficiency and improved patient outcomes. This image displays the architecture of Core Mobile services. At the lower level, you have the traditional existing clinical systems like Vista, ERP, and CRM. Core Mobile connects to the systems and extracts necessary information to display on the appropriate screens in the OR room or in the waiting room, as well as mobile devices that exist across the system. All information is anonymized on these screens in order to remain HIPAA compliant. Core Mobile is taking medical care to the next level using mobile technology while ensuring compliance and other patient privacy and security requirements. What we deliver is a HIPAA-compliant software which leverages mobile and analytics to give you that functionality. If you compare Core Mobile with its closest competitors, Core Mobile provides 3 to 4 times the functionality at half the cost. Core Mobile provides scheduling capabilities, patient tracking, patient engagement, patient satisfaction and outcomes measurements, as well as surgical error reduction, surgical risk assessment, preoperative testing, and reporting capabilities. Some of the benefits for UC Davis working with Core Mobile are user interface customization at no additional cost. If there is any way that our application would be easier for you to use, we can make that adjustment at no extra cost. Platform customization for multiple specialties at no extra cost with a site-wide or institution-wide license. Cloud-hosted and on-premise IT deployment option. Due to security concerns, some facilities insist that software is stored at a data center. This is an option with Core Mobile. Security, privacy, and compliance to U.S. federal standards. Purchase through existing UC-approved vendor Dell. Scholarship program. We already funded one scholarship in thoracic surgery so that a student could be trained in using the application to assist patients and increase patient engagement. Foundation contributions. If UC Davis comes up with a new pathway or package that helps with patient care and packs it as a joint intellectual property and sells the package, we offer 10% of the earnings to UC Davis. Flexible pricing options. The first is at the rate of $3 per patient, with a minimum of 100 patients. The setup fee is $10,000, which includes 2 specialties. Each additional specialty costs $2,000. This includes user interface customization, customized reports, and additional web apps. The second pricing option is at the rate of $99 per staff member, with a minimum of 5 users. The setup fee is $10,000, which includes 2 specialties. Each additional specialty costs $2,000. This includes user interface customization, customized reports, and additional web apps. The final pricing option is $250,000 per year for unlimited staff and patient use. The startup fee is included, as are all user interface customizations, customized reports, and additional web apps. You also have the ability to transition from one pricing option to another once per year. Optional offerings include training end users, training for IT staff to deploy software on site, 24-hour phone support, Epic read and write integration. In summary, Core Mobile provides a HIPAA-compliant software for workflow efficiency, patient engagement, and patient-reported outcomes on mobile devices, leveraging cloud technology. Thank you for watching this video, and Core Mobile welcomes you to contact us with any questions or for more information.